just like a weekend in my life. This red light shows that, you know, it's recording. I'm freaking nervous, by the way. Everybody, good morning. This is my first time using the SONY ZV1. Let's see how the audio will be like without any microphone. Overall, like I feel like it's super light. I kind of wanted to like buy this camera already, but thank you so much Sony for like sending this. We're also gonna meet Kane from Bling Empire. Very excited to meet him. And I guess like this is a pretty fun experience also. I've not seen like a lot of celebrities, so I guess I can look at the quality. The stability of this camera is amazing, like I can already tell. But yeah, it's currently like 10 AM. This is my feet and I'm using the Stressberry bag. This dress is from Impression Affair. I really like the items there. You guys can go check it out. Right now we're in low light. This is how it looks like. Oh my god, I actually do want to get this camera already. Yeah, the mode just keeps changing. Portrait, macro, if like, you know, my eye is like near enough, just so like it can focus well. And I also wanted to say that this has a flip out camera, which is so good. Okay, we're at Sephora now, and hopefully like this battery lasts me for the entire day and also the weekend, because tomorrow we're going cycling. Hello. Hi. Welcome to the vlog. Hi. Where is Kate? Say hi to my vlog. Hey.
Bet you save 100% for when Kane joins us on the stage, right?
Kelly flew it all the way just yesterday and she looks still so like.
Trip here. How long are you staying here for?
I'm here for 2 weeks and Kelly's here for another week.
I think another week.
She's just gonna eat.
I'm just gonna eat.
I'm freaking nervous, by the way. Like, so nervous right now. Yeah.
The next day.
How about this? Whoa, how about this? Whoa, how about this small thing? Oh, whoa! How about this?
Bruh.
Alright, so it's a Sunday and I'm gonna go cycle! Gonna clear our brows first, and then I also need to like send a parcel. It's a sunny day and this is my feet, my whole feet from Voltage, and then this is from Beyond the Vines. Thank you Maybelline for this. It's freaking hot recently. Clear my brows. Really unhappy with my brow shape right now. I fill it in with like my eyebrow pencil. I'm drinking Yakult now. It's gonna make me a little bit heavier, and I'm gonna eat eggs. CP right now. We're gonna go cycle. Okay, honestly very excited because the last time I cycled was like a freaking 30 km night cycle, and I had a hard time and then I almost cried halfway. Reach here. This is the rest stop, and then we're going to Marina Barrage in a bit. But it's such a beautiful day.
The next day.
I honestly am thinking of getting this, and the color profile is great because previously I had a Sony camera and it wasn't this nice though. But this is great, especially for like vlogging people like me. I turned on the intelligent mode like forever, like ever since I started. You can see it's awesome if you have like, you know, if you want to like do a product display, or if you're like a content creator like me. And yesterday throughout like the whole vlogging day, right, like I didn't have like a problem putting this in my bag. I think it's great. And Sony vlog camera has like a flip out screen, like this flip out screen. It's so good, like I swear guys. Like friends, so this is the end of the video. I hope you guys liked my weekend. I really enjoyed myself. But in this Sony ZV camera, it's really good. Like let me know if the quality is good in the comments down below. I'll see you guys in my next video.